Greetings, my friend. Uh, I'm Ramesh Gulati, back to talk to you about my book and specifically chapter 3, Understanding Maintenance. Again, first two chapters we talked about best practices, we talked about culture, leadership. Now we're going to talk what people want to hear about maintenance. In this chapter, we talk about really understanding maintenance. What is maintenance? Why maintenance is required? You know, every machine equipment they will fail out. They will fail if we don't do the right things. They need a lubrication. They need a alignment, all those kind of things. So here we're going to talk about what's some basic things we have to do, like preventive maintenance program, operators involvement, kind of things we're going to talk. We have talked about in this book about maintenance. What are the essential component of maintenance? Types of maintenance: preventive, corrective, all other types of prescriptive, all kind of maintenance which we need to be doing on maintenance. And also we're going to talk about a little bit about touch base planning and schedule, other kind of things we have to do, which we're going to talk a little bit later. But here is understanding what is maintenance, how do you measure maintenance, some metrics about maintenance measurement. We're going to talk about those things in this chapter.